Hey guys, welcome to your channel Fun to Watch. Today we are going to unbox Narzo 50 smartphone. It is from the brand Realme. Initially, Realme was set up as a sub-brand of Oppo mobiles, but later it became an independent entity. This is Karthik Shalya. Now let's get started. In the box, you will get a soft silicone transparent back cover, the mobile phone, user guide and warranty details, Type-C cable and the charger. We will discuss more about them later in the video. Now we will set up the mobile first. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes in total, but I have tried to keep it shorter while editing the video. The texture pattern at the back is quite similar to the OnePlus phone. This texture is inspired by the race cars. The variant we have here is in speed blue color. The right edge of the phone has a power button, which is also a fingerprint sensor. At the left side there are volume buttons and a SIM card tray. Till the time we are setting it up, let's discuss more about its other features. The smartphone has a 6.6 inches Full HD LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. It comes with 2412 by 1080 resolution, 90.8% screen to body ratio and 401 ppi. The touch is very responsive. The smartphone is packed with 5000 mAh battery and is paired with a 33-watt fast charger. When charging, the smartphone took about an hour to recharge to 100%, which is long but manageable. Like most Realme smartphones, the Narzo 50 too comes running on the Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. Realme Narzo 50 has a single bottom speaker which gives okay sound quality. Dual speakers would have been a better choice. Hardware-wise, the Realme Narzo series phone have always been pitched as a performance-centric devices. Realme once again followed the same template by offering MediaTek Helios G96 octa-core processor, which we witnessed in Realme 8i. The chipset is fabricated using a 12nm node. It has also Cortex A76 cores, performance cores clocked at 2.05 GHz. Overall, the performance of Narzo 50 can also be called decent as it performs daily tasks well. These includes attending calls, browsing videos, accessing the internet and even gaming. Now we will test and review its most important feature for many users, that is its camera quality. The Narzo 50 comes with a triple camera setup on the rear. It has a 50 megapixel primary lens. In addition, it has a 2 megapixel macro as well as a black and white lens for more photography options. Let's test it out, the rear camera quality. As you can see, the photograph is not getting pixelated even after multiple zoom. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with a Type-C charger. The Type-C port charges your mobile faster. You can insert Type-C port in the mobile either side up. Type-C ports can transmit data at a higher rate, and it also supports the reverse charging. Guys, this is 64GB variant and I got it from Amazon sale in 9,900 rupees. This is all from my side. Thank you so much.